You're the
So I
realtor who's selling this building for some ambiguous amount. You're saying the asking price is 630, and I'm just asking what's the appraisal for the building?
Sir, listen, I'm in my car driving to do a showing. I don't have it with me right now. If you want the information, you can get the information yourself, okay?
Wow. Why would I want to deal with someone who's so aggressive if the time comes? Why would I want to write a $600,000 check? Explain that to me.
So it's Micah.
Micah, my name's Danny. I'm looking at some commercial space. I'm interested in a long-term lease in the spot, but the rub is I think it might be under contract. And if it's going from landlord to landlord, I'm still interested in talking terms when the time comes on the commercial space, if that makes sense.
It is under contract now. And the new owner is actually buying it, where the buyer is actually buying it because he wants to have a laundromat.
Okay. So if the sale goes through, then the buyer is excited about operating it. If the sale doesn't go through, I'm also interested. What's the sale price? What's the asking price?
It's on the market right now, $630.
$630,000.
Yeah, ladies do ask for attention. In my experience, they pretend to give it, but it's generally a smokescreen for demanding it back with interest.
And what's the appraised value of the building and the dirt and the real estate?
I don't have the information on me right now.
What do you got?
Well, I'm having a little trouble getting started.
Christ, Jesus, started? You mean you don't have anything yet?
Well, not much.
I never even gave you the address. So are you handling more than one commercial building at this time?
I have only one laundromat. Is that what you're talking about?
I didn't say laundromat.
Well, me, I just enjoy making things up.
Well, your name came up in my phone, like as if we've already spoken.
I left you a message a couple of weeks ago. That's why.
Oh, that may be what I may have saved it under laundromat then. Yes.
So you're the realtor who's selling this building for some ambiguous amount. You're saying the asking price is 630, and I'm just asking what's the appraisal for the building?
Sir, listen, I'm in my car driving to do a showing. I don't have it with me right now. If you want the information, you can get the information yourself, okay?
Wow. Why would I want to deal with someone who's so aggressive if the time comes? Why would I want to write a $600,000 check? Explain that to me. She hung up.
Finally decided to knock off early. Take your advice. I went to see a doctor about this. He told me I had an ear infection. $10, please. I says, hell, I told you my ear was infected. Why don't you give me $10? Well, that led to an argument.
About some people.
So why do you think she went sideways?
I actually do not know.
Because I started asking real questions about the real world. She thinks that the earth is flat.
Yeah, I get you.
I didn't ask her what they are paying if this sale goes through, because that's none of my business. I said, what was the asking price? $630,000. She knows good goddamn well there is no appraisal, and that's why she got angry.
Yeah.
This is a horrible,
I get it.
dumpy, little tiny laundromat with top-load washers, and someone's about to spend $600,000 and never, ever be able to recoup that cost.
Mm-hmm.
That's the story that's being told again and again, over and over in the Naked City. And on another YouTube channel, you can go and find out how to be the person that buys this place with seller financing. Makes sense, right?
I'm pretty sure this hot water heater's got a few more good years left in it.